this panel will show like frozen, or this one is a time. This is the operation that run before while you close the glass freezer. Okay. So if you want to FR, that means it's frozen. This one, that means it's like using time. So you want to change frozen to chill, then you have to press this one, chill or frozen. Then change to chill. Okay. So you want to hard chill, then you have to press hard. And HD is hard. So this is hard chill. Then this is using time cycle. So if you want to change the time using prop, you press this time button, press and hold for a few seconds. Then it will change like some prop logo. Then that means this is chill, hard, using prop. Okay. So you want to change back to time, press back the same button for a few seconds. Then change back to time. If you want to use soft chill, you press the hard back again. Then it's back to soft chill. Same way to the freeze. You press chill or freeze, press. Then change to freeze. Then you want a hard freeze. HD, press hard. HD will show hard freeze. Then you want to change the time to prop, just press. Okay, then change freeze to prop. Change back to time. Frozen, hard, frozen, time. To start all those programs, you have to press this button to start the cycle. Then we have this frozen logo start. That means the compressor is start running. And that means start running. To pause, you can press back this button again. Then you like STB is standby. So on this standby mode, that means it's not stopping the cycle. You can run back the cycle with press. Then we like continue with the just now the same timer. We'll continue back. Okay. If to totally stop this cycle, you can pause first. Then press and hold. Then you cancel off the cycle. It's press the chill and freeze and hold for 3 seconds. Then we'll close the cycle. The same ways go to like chill, hard, timer, or you wanna use prop. Same way is start. So let's press start. If we're running, we'll start running like that.
you.